This is a Mazda CX-5, and I'm gonna change the filter here, the cabin air filter. I didn't know this was in here. I got my oil changed today. It was so gross. The guy pulled it out of here. I don't think we've ever changed this. That's so gross. Okay, so it came out like that. I got a new one from AutoZone here. $20. Let's see, it looks like it went like this. Man, that's a huge difference. Let's see how to get this back up here. Nope. I'm going to turn off the camera and try to get that back up there, because that did not go back up. Hopefully it goes back up alright. Looks like there's little hooks down there. I'll put it on and then push it back in. That was my filter here. Gross.